Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to try to not make this a long video because A, I just rambled in my last one for a hot minute now, and B, it's 10:40 and I want to go to bed. So today I just wanted to hop in and do like a haul style video for you guys. My birthday is in 2 days, so I have bought some makeup here recently in spirit of that, and just in spirit of my YouTube channel as well. So I just wanted to kind of like jump in and show you guys what's the deal. I do have video ideas right now. I just haven't had time to film. I'm hoping that if I can get most of my homework done this weekend, then I'll be able to film more next week. And I have videos to like get through next week, but I'm hoping that I can like film more next week and then have like a continuous content like cycle going up, hopefully. But let me just jump in first. So I did obviously a big Sephora haul, but I also got a couple stuff from like the drugstore too that I want to show you guys. And I just want to start with this little tray. I got this from Walmart. It's super cute. It was on sale for $1, but it was normally like $4, whatever, doesn't matter. It says pretty little things inside, and I think it's just so cute. And I'm gonna keep it on my like nightstand for now to put like I have skincare that I keep on my nightstand. Obviously for before I go to bed, so I just wanted, I got that to like go with it, and I just want to show you guys because it's really cute. They had a pink one too, but I got the teal one because that's like my color. And then I got this Wet n Wild Mega Last Liquid Catsuit from 5 Below. I mean, they had like a bunch of colors. There was a bunch that I wanted, but I got this one. This is in the shade Rebel Rose. I thought it was cute. Get it open. I have one of these already, or I have like, yeah, I have that one of their matte liquid lipsticks, but this is like the liquid catsuit one, and so I wanted to try it. They're cute. They are the same packaging as Jeffree Star, and pretty much a dose of colors. So let's put it on. I swear I'm not going to swatch everything in this video. I just really want to see what this looks like. Okay. It's not my favorite. It's a little pink, but it's cute. Interesting. Not sure how I feel. Not the perfectest application either. But you know, we're making it. The next. Okay, you're gonna have to spare with me as well because, like I said in the last 3 videos that I recorded today, because that's just what I'm doing, is cramming. I've had this makeup on since 7:30, 8 o'clock this morning. So please bear with, as it is 10:43 and my makeup wants to come off. Anyways, the next thing isn't makeup, but it's beauty related. I'm at the TJ Maxx and I got 3 nail polishes. I wanted to get one more green one, but I got these 3 anyways. They're in the shades Suit and Tide, Clam Bake, and As If, and they're so pretty, and I think they're gonna look so cute during the summer. This one's kind of like neutral nudish. I love it though. This one is like a nice bluey purple, like periwinkle, and then this red orangey. It's like such a bright color, and I think it's gonna look so pretty, like especially on my toes. Oh, can't wait. Anyway, and then I got this. I just wanted to like sneak peek it for you guys because I'm gonna use it in a video. It is a lip tattoo. It's a peel off lipstick, and there was like a red one and a nude one, but I thought the red one might show up or like work better, so that's the one that I got. And I got this at 5 Below as well. There's 5 lip colors. They're all named after fruit, and so I'm pretty excited to try this in a video for you guys. I might film that tomorrow if I have time. We'll see. Super excited. Now, for Sephora. Literally, I haven't bought Sephora stuff in a hot minute because life has been crazy and I haven't really either had the funds or the time or anything. Like, I'm about to move, so like stuff like that's been going on, and obviously I have bills to pay. And I haven't been working as much as I would like to, you know, so the funds haven't quite been as much as I'd like, but things are stepping up again, and hopefully I'll be able to buy more makeup to show you guys. This was quite a haul. I did see that they had like a promo code kind of thing, where you could get 30% off, and normally Sephora's employee discount is 20%. So like either way, that's like a good amount off. Like I'm grateful. So I like when it was 30%, I was like, oh my goodness, let me go ahead and now's the time. God is speaking to me. I don't know if he actually was, but you know, I felt my calling. So I'm excited because this is stuff that I've been either looking forward to or wanting or what have it. So get rid of the garbage. The receipt. Okay, I guess we're starting with samples. Oh, they actually sent me the ones I asked for. That hasn't happened in a hot minute. Okay, so we start out with the Vice. I want to try these. They're the special effects, like top coat kind of deals. I think I have one. Not 100% sure. I think I might have one. Maybe not. I don't remember. But I just wanted to try some of them, you know, as like lip toppers and see if I like them. Because, hey, if I do, then I can get some, you know. And then I got a shampoo and conditioner from Living Proof. I like Living Proof a lot. I use their stuff when I'm in store. Like, I just spray it on my hair because testers, and that's what you can do. And then I got the Singapore The Power of Tiger Grass because they just came out with a new, like, serum, I think, or something. It, like, has, like, some, like, color correcting properties in it, but it's also, like, a serum. And so I think that's what this one is. And I'm excited to try that because I feel like, I don't know. I feel like I get redness in my skin. I probably don't actually have like a lot of redness, but I just feel like there's redness there, so I feel like this will make me feel better about myself. Okay. First thing I'm pulling out is this Too Faced Natural Nudes lipstick. It's intense color coconut butter lipstick in the shade Strip Search. This has been in my cart for a hot minute. Ever since I swatched it one day in the store, I was like, that's gotta be mine. I have to have it. It's so pretty. So let me go ahead. The packaging is beautiful. It's so elegant and feminine. I hate using like feminine and masculine and things, but it's so like dainty and like delicate looking. It has a slight smell if you like really. Oh yes, this is everything I've wanted. It is. Oh yes. Beautiful. This will look even better with a lip liner. And when my makeup actually looks halfway presentable. Okay, perfect. So excited. Yes! Next, let's jump into more. Okay, I kind of want to save these for later. I got some more lip stars. We'll just stick with the lips for now. Then we'll jump into some more exciting things. I got two. Oh, this one's open. Oh no. I got two NARS Power Matte Lip Pigments in the shades Don't Stop and Get It On. I already have one in the shade Star Woman and I really like it. So I wanted to get two other colors and just kind of see how I felt about other kind of other ones. I really like that red one that I have, the Star Woman. It was like a 100-point prick a while back. So I wanted to see if I liked these ones. This one, Get It On, is like a nude. Ooh, that's like a warmish terracotta nude. I think I'm really gonna like that. Yeah, let's see. And then Don't Stop. I think this is a red. Yep. Holy, that is a very bright red. I want to compare it to the Star Woman one. So Star Woman is a little bit darker. This one's definitely brighter. They're pretty though. Yes, I'm excited. Okay, and then I got two Smashbox Always On Liquid Lipsticks, and one of them is in the shade, what shade are you? You don't say? Fair Game. This I got because of Jaclyn Hill. She swatched this, and I added it to my cart immediately. Look at how freaking pretty. I've been really into nudes, obviously. And I think that's such a stunning color. It's lighter than the NARS one that I got, so that's good. And then I got, this one has been literally in my loves list to get. Like, my loves list is all the stuff that I want to get, basically. I don't know if you guys are that way. This has been in there for so long, and I finally got it. It's the Always On Liquid Lipstick in Out Loud. It's a orange, like a pumpkin-y orange, and holy Jesus, it's beautiful. I have some of these already, I have like 2 of them, I think. Maybe 3. I have like 2, a full size, a metallic, and then like a mini, I think. They're really nice. I knew I liked the formula of these, and that's why I was pretty confident in getting these 2. Especially when Jacqueline swatched that color. I was like, okay, I'm gonna get it. It's in my cart. Go ahead. So I'm pretty pleased with these, honestly, and I know I'm pretty sure I know what my sister got me for my birthday, and it's more lippies, and I'll show you guys as soon as I can. Okay, as soon as she gives them to me. My birthday's not for 2 more days, so we got to wait. Let me go ahead and wipe this off because we are going to need to swatch the next stuff that I got. Okay. Let's just jump in because I'm so excited. Okay, I got more HUDA palettes. So excited because I love my HUDA palettes. And if you guys don't know, the video that I did when I first got these 2 HUDA palettes has been my most viewed video ever. It's like 3.7 thousand views, and that literally is crazy to me. I've never had that many or even close to that many views on a video ever. Ever. Like, my closest is like at 900. That's such a big difference. So, like, these HUDA palettes are so close to my heart and so special to me because of that video and because of the way they are. Like, I have all the HUDA palettes. Eyeshadow palettes. I have the Desert Dusk and the, what is that one called? Textured Shadow. And I know she's coming out with like a reformulated, like retextured or whatever textured shadow palette. I don't know if I'm going to get that one because it's literally the exact same thing, just reformulated. So, I don't know. But I got the one that was missing from my collection and the 2 new ones. So, we have originally the Electric Obsessions. Stunning. I've used it a lot on my channel. The Warm Obsessions. Equally stunning. Mauve Obsessions. This is just the Obsessions line. I have, like, the other ones. We don't need to show those. Then, to add to this, we got the Smoky Obsessions. Oh, mine game broken! Honey!
What?
It game broken!
That sucks.
Dang it! I gotta bring it back!
You might want to contact them.
I'm just gonna bring it back.
Okay.
Look it! It's like, it's shattered! Dang, Flabbit! That's so annoying. Well, I was trying to complete my collection. I guess I can swatch some of the ones that aren't broken. Like, mostly these 3. Like, look at it. Doesn't even do it justice because there's black all in it. I'll swatch it anyways. Yeah, it's like there's black. You can't even, like, see the glimmer and... Ah! This stinks. This really stinks. I'll have to go, like, tomorrow or something and exchange it. I don't have time tomorrow. Maybe Friday, my birthday. I don't know. We'll see. But anyways, please don't be broken, Coral Obsessions. Please don't be broken. Please don't be broken. This is one of the new ones, the Coral Obsessions. She's not jingling. I hope she's not broken. No. Look at that. Okay, this one, I didn't know if I wanted to get this once she released it, like when she talked about it. Because look at how similar. But I caved because I'm an addict. I'm sorry. It's just so pretty. And I'm going to do a look on these, obviously. But let me just watch some of them for you. Okay. I barely, like, touched them, so they're not, like, super vibrant, but you can kind of tell. Kind of. Like, I don't want to, like, cheat you guys and go over it a whole bunch of times and, like, bear down super hard and whatnot. But I'm just excited for these because, obviously, I live for warm colors. And that's the epitome of warm. Oh, no! Shoot. Oh, well, I'll pick that up in a second. And then we got the Gemstone Obsessions, which looks like this. Hope you're not broken. Nope. Here it is. I bought this because I swatched it in store and fell in love. This, I'm a little bit disappointed by though. I wanted this to be more green. It's not as green as I wanted it to be, like here. It's still pretty, but not what I wanted. I wanted like a true green. Why is it so hard to find such a true green in an eyeshadow? But like literally, some of these other ones though, holy guacamole. Beautiful. Like I didn't press down really hard because like that's not who I am. But look at this beautifulness. I can't wait to use this like on. I'm gonna do videos with all of these, don't worry. I need to hurry up. My camera's dying and I'm running out of space and oh. Okay. Let me move this aside so I can film the last little bit. Then I got the soft glam finally. You guys know that my friend thought about giving this to me, and then she did end up giving it to her friend, which is fine because she got it in gratis and everything. And so I purchased it myself, and it's so pretty, and I cannot wait to show you guys like looks with it, whatnot. It's such a beautiful like everyday kind of palette, and I just can't wait. I hear it's as good as the Modern Renaissance, and I really hope so because I'm so excited. Last but not least, you guys, I got the Fenty highlighter duo in the shades Lightning Dust Fire Crystal. I already have one that's like Mean Money and Hustler Baby, but now I have this one. I got that one in gratis. This one I bought because my friend had this on, like in a picture. She tagged it, and it looked so pretty on her. So I wanted to like have that kind of bling bling on me. So I hope that it looks just as pretty on me. And that being said, you guys, that's all I have for this video. That's all I have I say, as I just spent a bajillion dollars on makeup. But that's all I have for you guys. I hope you like this video. If you have any of this stuff, let me know down below and let me know what you think of it. I'm honestly really loving it. So I'll see you guys next time, and I feel so grateful for everything. Like just being able to buy this makeup and getting free makeup from work and everything. Like it's just crazy. But I'll see you guys next time. Bye!